From recipe songs, here comes the first one from the city of Bangalore, featuring a dish which, according to a wiki, originated in the Mysore palace and remained a secret recipe confined within the palace walls for over 100 years, and then took another 200 years to spread out across the state of Karnataka.
Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele Bath. I'm going to explore this dish from Bangalore. So give me some more Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath. Let us make the Bisi Bele Bath powder. Chana dal, urad dal, chili, coriander, fenugreek, cumin, cinnamon and clove, cardamom, poppy roast on the stove. Cool it, add heat, turmeric, then grind to a powder. That's the trick. You can go the easy way and buy a ready mix, or make it like I did from scratch just for kicks. Add to tamarind extract with jaggery and salt for the next act. Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele Bath.
Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bele Bath, Bisi Bele, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath.
Take tur dal and rice, turmeric, water, pressurize, then shallot, carrot, peas, beans, potato, tomato, small size. Heat up oil and fry those vegetables by and by. Add water and lightly boil. Don't let it become too dry. Add the tamarind mixed with spice. Let it cook. Add dal and rice. Stir it well and check the taste. Ensure the flavors balance nice. Temper ghee with chili, cashew, hing and mustard, curry leaves few. Add to the mix and stir it well. Your Bisi Bele Bath is ready for you.
You wanna step into the party and jive.
Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi Bele Bath, Bisi